To reset Apple Pay NFC payments, start by opening the Settings app on your Apple device. Scroll down and select Wallet and Apple Pay. Then tap on the card you want to reset. If you want to remove a card, tap on the info icon next to the card. Then select Remove Card. Confirm that you want to remove the card by tapping Remove. If you want to reset a specific transaction, you will need to contact the merchant or your bank, as Apple Pay transactions are handled by the bank that issued the card. To reset the entire Apple Pay service, go to the Settings app. Select Wallet and Apple Pay. Then tap on Reset Apple Pay. This will remove all cards from Apple Pay and reset the service to its default state. After resetting Apple Pay, you can add your cards back to the service by opening the Wallet app, tapping the plus icon, and following the prompts to add a new card. It is a good idea to regularly review your Apple Pay transactions and card information to ensure everything is up to date and secure. Additionally, if you have replaced your physical credit or debit card, you will need to update the card information in Apple Pay. You can do this by removing the old card and adding the new one to the service. By following these steps, you can easily reset Apple Pay NFC payments and ensure that your mobile payments are secure and up to date. Remember to always keep your device and Apple Pay information secure by using a passcode and keeping your device and apps updated.